It's the beginner locksmith, and this is YouTube University's Automotive Locksmith course, Introduction to the TOY38R Keyway, lesson number 4, TOY38R Code Series explained. Let's get to it. So, quick review. What's a code series? Well, a code series is a systematic arrangement of key codes that represents a key bitting specifications, right? Basically, a set of numbers or letters and like a system of them that represent certain keys, basically. So for the TOY38R Keyway code series, here are the rules, basically. It'll start with the letter G, P, W, X, and D, I believe. And it could be anywhere from 1 to 4 numbers, and as long as the numbers are within these limits, then it's a viable key code. So for this key right here, that's the bitting. If you decode it right here, find the software. So as you can see, to make this key, the key code would be G1254. And as you can see, it falls right in that category, the first one. So yeah, that was just a quick lesson on TOY38R code series. I'll talk about more in the next upcoming lessons on how to get these key codes. Stay tuned.